Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shweta Anand and welcome back to my channel Simplified Dentistry. Today's topic is mucormycosis, which is commonly known as black fungus. I've already made a video on this topic, but today's video is totally based on the guidelines released by Indian Council of Medical Research. ICMR has released guidelines for early detection of the infection, and it has advised that after recovering from coronavirus infection, patients and the caretakers should closely monitor and should not miss any warning signs and symptoms of black fungus, as the fungal infection is found to emerge even weeks or months after recovery. Mucormycosis is a fungal infection that mainly affects people who are on medication for other health problems that reduces their ability to fight environmental pathogens. Sinuses or lungs of such individuals get affected after fungal spores are inhaled from the air. This can lead to serious disease with warning signs and symptoms, which are as follows: pain and redness around eyes and or nose, fever, headache, coughing, shortness of breath, bloody vomits, and altered mental status. Now let's know who all are at greater risk of getting infected. Not all people who have coronavirus infection and are on treatment for COVID-19 obtain mucormycosis. Certain individuals are more prone to getting infected by fungal infections, such as people with uncontrolled diabetes, that is, who are unable to keep blood sugar level within normal range, people taking immunosuppressant steroid medications to manage pre-existing illness, being treated in ICU wing of hospitals for a prolonged interval of time, having weak immune system due to previous organ transplant surgeries or cancer therapy procedures, people already on antifungal therapy. Now let's know how one can prevent mucormycosis. Use mask if you are visiting dusty construction sites. Wear shoes, long trousers, long sleeve shirts and gloves while handling soil or during gardening. Maintain personal hygiene, including through scrub bath. Now let's know about the symptoms present in COVID-19 patients, diabetics or immunosuppressed individuals, which are important to rule out the presence of mucormycosis. Sinusitis along with nasal blockage or congestion, blackish nasal discharge or blood discharge from nose, and local pain on cheekbone. One-side facial pain, numbness or swelling, blackish discoloration over bridge of nose or palate, toothache, loosening of teeth or jaw involvement, blood or double vision with pain, fever, skin lesion, thrombosis, and necrosis. Chest pain, pleural effusion, that is excess fluid buildup in lungs, hemoptysis, that is coughing up blood, or worsening of respiratory symptoms. Now let's know what can be done to prevent mucormycosis. Control hyperglycemia, that is high blood sugar. Monitor blood glucose level post-COVID discharge and also in diabetics. Use steroid judiciously, that is at correct timing, correct dose and at proper duration. Use clean, sterile water for humidifiers during oxygen therapy. Use antibiotics and antifungals judiciously. Let's know what should not be done. Do not miss warning signs and symptoms. Do not consider all the cases with blocked nose as cases of bacterial sinusitis, particularly in the context of immunosuppression and or COVID-19 patients on immunomodulators. Do not hesitate to seek aggressive investigations for detecting fungal etiology. Do not lose crucial time to initiate treatment for mucormycosis. The major factor that increases the efficacy of mucormycosis treatment is its accurate early diagnosis and its treatment by a specialist. So please consult the doctor if any of the symptoms is present, because uncared mucormycosis can turn fatal. Thank you for watching this video, and for more such contents, please like, share and subscribe to Simplified Dentistry.